All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you probably one of Bose's mid to higher end speakers here, the SoundLink Flex, in one of those limited colorways. I think looks really good. So this is the second gen. It does have all the features you know and love. This does have IP67 water and dust resistance, up to 12 hours of playback. It does have Bluetooth 5.3, so you know you're going to be kind of structured to that 30-mile radius within that phone distance in order to get sound. But really, I don't want to go into too many specs here. I just want to show you this baby and turn it on and see how it sounds. So, as far as unboxing goes, you can see it's going to be pretty simple. Works for your iPhone, works with an Android device. Again, anything with Bluetooth. This is all just for marketing gimmicks here. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. There's a little pull tab on the side. Let's go for it. Okay. And right when you open it up, nice packaging. You can see it's telling you to download the Bose app. They've kind of condensed those down now. And this is an all-in-one app to get everything you need underway. Here is the speaker. We'll set that right to the side. Looks like you're going to get a USB-A to USB-C cable in here. Always a good addition. At this point, though, in 2025, I would hope we would see an USB-C to USB-C cable, but not a deal breaker. I'm sure most of us have those laying around at this point. And then also your get started guide, some reading material. We'll just pluck that and set it right to the side. And then getting to the star of the show itself, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Oh yeah. All right, so I definitely like this colorway right off the bat with the goldish yellow strap. It feels really good. So these run on sale all the time for about $100 or so. At the time of recording, this is exactly the price it is. Normally it is about $150, but again, just depends on the time you're watching this video. That will dictate what the actual purchase price will be. I will throw up those affiliate links down below if you're interested. We greatly appreciate you using it. It helps out the channel immensely. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more tech coverage at all times. So you can see some speaker grills in the back here too, right up front, and a nice rubber feeling to this speaker. And I'm not sure if you can tell, it sits up nicely for the shape of this device because it has ever so slightly a couple of feet here, as you can see on the bottom of the speaker. And then again, you obviously have all your controls up top, your power, Bluetooth button, a customized button, speaker, volume, and play pause. As you would anticipate, again, nothing too crazy here. Let me go ahead and power this on, see if there happens to be a charge. Okay, so it's looking like we're not going to have any charge. Let me go ahead and get this powered up, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we gave it a little bit of juice. You can see the Bluetooth light flashing, and we downloaded the Bose app in the meantime, and it automatically recognized our device. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect.
Ready to connect.
And you can hear the speaker itself. We'll go ahead and do the pairing request, and it should be that easy. You can see at the bottom it's getting ready. Made a little bit of noise there. And it's saying app not installed. The accessory SoundLink Flex portable speaker uses an app you do not have installed. Would you like to get it from the App Store? We're going to ignore it. We shouldn't have to worry about anything like that. We'll go ahead and leave it with the default naming here and say next. And then you get some tips here for power and battery, Bluetooth, phone calls, the shortcut button we talked about, and speaker link. You can connect multiple speakers together in order to give you a better stereo sound as well. We'll say all set, enjoy, and we are ready to go. So you can see you have your volume controls right here, your source, that shortcut button if you wanted to go ahead and customize it. That defaults to speaker link. You can access your voice assistant or Spotify. Somewhat limited, but that is what we have currently in the app. Your equalizers, bass boost, bass reducer, treble boost, and treble reducer are the presets, and you can manually use the sliders to change that as well. I'm going to leave it at default right now. And then obviously we know source is going to be the phone, so we're going to leave that alone. You also do have your other settings right here as well, if you ever want to change anything else or get preferences for your voice prompts and auto off. Now, we all know how it is. YouTube loves to copyright block and demonetize videos, so unfortunately I can't play anything too long or too loud, but let's go ahead and get a quick sample of just one of our videos that we have on the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and launch YouTube, go to the channel, and see what we have here just to talk about. All right. So if you follow Tesla charging on X, you probably saw just the other day that was about 50% volume. It sounds really good. I'm going to turn it up really quick now. What they offer. It was about 3 days ago that they posted this, but there are some nice new changes. All right, that definitely sounds really good. Kind of surprised me how loud it is in this studio. I'm definitely a fan. I have to say it does sound pretty good. One other call out here as well, you can see once everything's paired, your Bluetooth light does go white instead of blue, and everything else will remain the same. Again, you can use your volume control right here on the top of the speaker, and when you actually press it, you can see it's actually impacting your phone's volume, and then play and pause again, and it works as anticipated. So, not too much else to it. Again, USB-C charging on the side as well, and yeah, little lanyard loop if you want to hold it this way. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. Are you going to pick up one of these SoundLink Flexes, or do you have one or two as a stereo pair? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.